In the early 1970s, Claude Vorilhon, a French journalist, founded the religious movement Realism. According to him, he experienced a UFO encounter where he met the Elohim, the extraterrestrial designers that created all life on Earth through cloning. The Elohim claimed that life on Earth was not a work of God or a work of evolution, but their work. So in 1974, Vorilhon changed his name to Rael, meaning messenger of Elohim, and he published the first text of Realism, which talks about his encounter with the Elohim. The religion focuses on spirituality and healing of their people, and most importantly, creating a community for when the Elohim return. For them, this involves cloning human beings in order to reach eternal life and immortality. Our main question is whether or not cloning humans under realism deserves religious freedom. So we argue that the belief of cloning in realism pushes the boundaries on what the Constitution considers acceptable religious practices. And while it is religious for Raelians because they believe that humans are clones of the Elohim and that it's their way to reach immortality, it challenges the limits of medical ethics and raises moral concerns. Before the Raelians were formed, there were other organizations successfully cloning animals. In 1952, researchers cloned a frog, and starting in the late 1970s, mice were being cloned. However, most notably, in 1997, Dolly the sheep was cloned. And in response, there was public outrage, and the media was concerned that the cloning of animals would eventually lead to human cloning.